Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a method that can make you money on Instagram. Now to do this we're going to be using CPA marketing, and if you don't know what CPA marketing is, it's cost per action marketing, where you get paid to get somebody to do something. Now I don't know how new you are to CPA marketing, but I'm going to go through the steps it takes to get this method up and running, and I'm going to try my best to add some value here. Okay, so I'm on a CPA network called Maxbouty. If you've heard of them, great. If you haven't, there'll be a link in the description to sign up. I'd recommend that you go and sign up to Maxbouty if you haven't already. If you're looking for a CPA network, then they always pay on time, they have competitive rates, and you can actually request campaigns that you want. But you can do this video with any other CPA network. So I'm going to show you the offer that we're going to be promoting on Instagram. So I'm just going to go to search campaigns here, and I'm going to go through search options, and I'm going to go into categories and click on, where is it? Surveys, here we go. And as we're promoting leads from Instagram, most of the traffic is going to be coming from mobile. Okay, so tick that and then click search. Now as you can see here, there are a lot of offers that we can promote. I already have one bookmarked, and it is actually the Survey Junkie offer. I'm going to be using this one because it's got a high EPC, it's mobile optimized, it looks great, and it's for the people in the US. So if we just go ahead and click on it here, here is the offer. As you can see, it looks fantastic, and all they have to do for us to get paid is enter their email and click get started. The box where you can enter your email is above the fold. It's visual, it's clear, take surveys, get paid. It's really simple and it converts well. Now as you can see here, we're going to get $1 per lead, which is pretty decent. Okay, so now we've decided that we're going to promote this offer here. We need to decide who we're going to promote to. Now there are various avenues we could go down here. You've got to think who would want to enter surveys. Now we could go ahead and target students who are low on cash and who need money, or we could go and target single mums that are low on money that really want to help the children out. We could go and target them, and that's what I'm going to be doing in the video. So we're going to aim the campaign at mums. So now what we need to do is make our actual Instagram account. Now if you're on your phone, you can go and make this on your phone while you watch the video. I have an emulator called BlueStacks, and it basically just emulates an Android device, and I have Instagram downloaded here. If you want to get BlueStacks on your PC, just go to bluestacks.com and then click download, and it's really easy to install. Okay, so here on Instagram, I'm just going to make a new account here, and you would want to do the same, sign up with an email or phone number. Okay, so now obviously we're going to need to sign up with an email, and I need to think of an email that I haven't used on Instagram. Okay, so I've just entered an email there. Now here you want to enter the full name. Now you can change this once you get into the app, but I'm just going to put something like Survey Mum. It's catchy, it's straight to the point, and it tells people what you are, and it's going to entice people to click on your profile. So there we go, we're going to be called Survey Mum, and I'm going to enter the password. Now that username was taken, so we're just going to try and think of something else. Okay, so we've got Survey Mum. So here's our Instagram account here. Now this is one of the hardest parts, in my opinion, is making your Instagram profile look somewhat decent. So you're going to need a profile picture, you're going to need about, I don't know, 3 to 5 images on your profile, something about money, something about the struggle you're going through, and just something that people are going to be able to relate to and entice them more to click on your link, which is going to be in the bio. There are many ways you can get pictures here. I'm just going to look for some now. Okay, so I'm going to use this page. It's not the best picture that we could choose, but it shows clearly that she's holding money and she looks pretty happy. So I'm just going to save this image onto my desktop. I'm going to make a new folder calling it Instagram and save it into here. Okay, so I'm going to have it about there, and then click accept. Okay, so now we have our profile picture here, Survey Mum, and now we just want to start filling up our Instagram profile. Another good place you can get pictures from is Tumblr, so I could put in, for example, rich Tumblr, and there's going to be like tagged pictures with rich or wealthy or luxury or other things like that. Now obviously you don't want to grab pictures like this because it's just not realistic that someone will be making this kind of money from surveys. So I'm going to grab this picture here and add this to the collection. So I'm just going to save image as, save that. So that's one. I'm going to take this picture here, which is actually on Instagram, which could be a good place to find pictures too. So we're just going to try and get a couple of pictures from Instagram. I'm going to do something like hashtag money, and something like this I'm going to have as well, because it just shows a bit of personality into the profile. Now with Instagram you can't just save the pictures, because it saves as a web page complete, but you can go to snipping tool and then just snip it like this, and then save as to the desktop. Okay, so I've got 3 images, I'm going to upload them and we're going to roll with that. So back to our Instagram profile here, we're just going to start uploading these pictures. And then once you've uploaded the picture, you want to add a small caption. Now you want to step into the shoes of a hardworking mom, so make money like I do, link in bio, see you around. Now you could put some emojis here. I'm not going to bother because I don't really have the time. I'm just going to show you the concept. So now I'm just going to select all of this and copy it so I can just paste it back on. Okay, so now as you can see we've got a picture with a relative caption. What we now need to do is edit the bio and profile. So now you need to make this bio relatable to mums. So here I've put single mom, hard worker, I make money on the internet to help my children, join me. Something powerful like that, something sharp, straight to the point. Now in the website we can't just enter a link straight off Maxbouty here, it's just not going to work. So what you need to do is copy this long URL here, and there's a couple of things you can do. You can go and buy a domain and get a domain redirector, which is fairly cheap, or you can do it the free way, which I'm going to show you now. Now you could go ahead and shorten this link with a URL shortener, but the URL shorteners do not like CPA links or anything spammy, so they just block it out completely. So the way to get around this is by making a website, and I'm going to show you how you can do this now. It's literally going to take 10 minutes. Okay, so you want to come to weebly.com and then click login or sign up if you have an account already. And now once you're on your Weebly account here, you just want to click this button here, click add site. Now you want to choose something really basic, because all we're going to be doing is adding a click here to find out how link. So here we go, just go to personal and click on this theme here, or any other simple one that you want to choose. You'll see in a minute why we want a really simple one. Okay, so you can use a subdomain here. I'm just going to call this surveymoms.weebly.com. There we go. Click continue. And now here is the site. I'm just going to call this Survey Mums. And then you just want to add a title. Click here to edit. Click here to find out how. Then what I'm going to do is make that central, highlight it, website URL, and here I'm going to copy in our Maxbouty link. It's going to open in a new window. I just want it to open in the same window, and that's basically all we need to do. I'm going to click publish, and then here is our website here. Click here to find out now, and then it's going to take us to our CPA offer. This isn't the one we're promoting because I'm from the UK. It's actually only available in the US. So you'll be surprised how easy this is to convert. Now once you have this URL here, you can then go ahead and go to something like bit.ly. Once you have the URL from your Weebly account, you can then go and paste it into bit.ly or any URL shortening service here. Copy it, and then once someone clicks on this bit.ly link, it's going to take us to our website here, and then they're going to be able to click here to find out now. So copy the bit.ly link here, go back to your Instagram, and then you want to paste the bit.ly link into the website. Click the tick, and then here is our profile here. Single mom, hard worker, I make money on the internet to help my children, join me. I'm going to make that a little more powerful here. Single mom, hard worker, I make money on the internet to help my children, join me, 10-minute surveys, great money making opportunity, and then a link here. I do not know how long this video has gone on. I don't know if this is going to add value, but now what we need to do is get traffic to this. Now getting traffic to this is pretty easy. Okay, so who are we targeting now? We're going to be targeting single mums. So we need to find a page that has a demographic of obviously single mums. Now I found an Instagram page earlier called What's Up Mums, but you can just simply type in search single mum, mum problems, mum hacks, anything along them lines to find mums. Or you can use this page if you want, because it's going to get more followers as time goes on. So these have got 77k followers, and it's the #1 parenting network on YouTube or whatever, and it's full of mums that want to make money. So here we just click on the followers, and then all we need to do is go and follow all these people. Now once you follow these people, they're going to get a notification on their phone, and they're going to check out your profile because it says survey mums. They're going to click on it, they're going to see what you're about, they're going to see that you make money online, and they're probably going to be intrigued. And because the Maxbouty pages are great at converting people into leads, you're going to get some good leads from this. Now Instagram has an hourly follow limit of around 150, so you can be on your phone, you can do this each hour of the day, or you can even get some tools which will auto follow for you, but you're going to have to pay for them, so it may be worth investing your profits back into this. Okay, so this is all I'm going to be doing now, is following people. I hope this created some value for you. If you've got any questions, please comment below. I'm sorry if this was all over the place. This is my first really long video and I didn't know how it's going to go down, but this is an actual method that you can apply. If you go and take action, you will make some money with this. I may make a follow-up video on how much this has made me if I carry on doing the method, but at the minute I'm just going to be following people, and I hope you will be too. There'll be a link to the Maxbouty in the description if you need a network to join. I highly recommend them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.